I'm mixing. Thought I was different, but this edible got me. Hello, darling. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be taking you guys with me for my fitness journey. This is my usual routine, and I'm bringing you along with me. So, this is me doing a little shopping, looking for the perfect fit. I love to use ASOS for like Nike Pro stuff, dry fit stuff. They have really good prices on good brands. They have so many selections. This set is cute. And then there's Shein. I know the girlies be sleep on Shein, but this stuff be having you looking cute, butt be popping, and then you pay one price and you get a whole set. So sometimes I like to put in my little Shein sets. Look, they have so many colors of the same set. Period. Purple and green and blue unite. Yes. There's so many selections. You got the ones with the jackets, the ones with the sports bras, but this cutout seems to be my favorite. I have the one in black and gray. Yeah, I ended up getting the one black and gray. So this set came with a pant, a jacket, a sports bra, and I like to put my sweatband around my waist underneath, and my gym shoes are my little Vapor Max. So for me, I'm pretty petite and I need a lot of protein in my breakfast. So this is egg whites, spinach on a English muffin. I like to check the crowd meter before I go. I generally don't like to be in the gym with a lot of people. Hate waiting on machines. So instead of pre-workout, I like to take a spoonful of maca root and I just swig it down with some water. It's nasty as hell, but it gives you energy. It's healthy. It gives you an appetite. I like to have a little snack right before I go to the gym because I'm trying to gain. So I eat before the gym and I eat right after. It's a tuna sandwich. If you didn't know, tuna is packed with mad protein. This is my favorite energy drink ever. It has caffeine from natural substances, as in green tea, Celsius. And also, I had a brand deal with them for a couple months. So I actually proudly used it for months. Proudly sold it for months. And I would recommend it to anyone else if they want like a healthier alternative than like Red Bull or Monsters. Or that other crazy supplement called C4. I'm afraid to take that shit. I'm getting a little jam session in, trying to get pumped up. Make sure you have you a gym playlist, dog. Session will never be the same if you don't have the right music or if you gotta listen to the gym's music because that shit is geriatric. I don't play by my gym playlist. The crowd meter was right. The coast is clear. Leave it to me to have a dead pod. So I'm working out with one pod today. Just my luck. Whatever. Get into this fit. Okay, that pink thing is the waistband, my waist is really small, and the waistband actually is too big for me. So it kind of makes me look bulky, but it helps sweat off the inches. So I wear it anyways. I want to be curvy like a S, like a Coke bottle, thick like a milkshake. You hear me? You feel me? So you gotta do the hip abductor machine. You can't do nothing without it. Most of the time, the S curve that you're looking for comes within doing work on the hips. You need to build the hip muscle. I'm doing the leg press. I'm doing a 45 and a 45. So there's about 80 pounds down here. This big stuff for Elma. I like to use this machine for 3 different things. I'll do a wide rep, I'll do a really tight rep, and then I'll turn my feet out. Just those different movements will work a different lower body muscle in itself. Another thing that I really do like about the gym is it helps me to clear my mind. Just hearing the metal clank, they say you get like addicted to the metal, but really it's the peace of mind. You can think so much more clearly. And you're just in your zone, actively improving yourself, improving your health, improving your body. It's a wonderful feeling. And you can see the results. Sometimes you get a muscle pump. So like say you work out like your arms. That day you can see like your arms swell a little bit from the work you put in. But eventually that plump will be your end result. So take it day by day. Take it seriously. Try not to burn out, because I ripped my abdominals using this little contraption. I went really hard one day. These are what you would consider military pull-ups, military crunches. And I just was going like ham one day because I hadn't been in a gym in a long time. And I ripped my abs. It was so painful. I could barely sit up in the bed. It was not a good time. So, pace yourself. Take your time. Focus on your muscles. Make sure you're contracting, and breathing at the same time. Push through. Breath control is definitely important. You got to make sure that you're breathing out when you're doing the most strenuous part of the workout. So like say if you're lifting muscles, when you go to lift, you should be breathing out. When you go to release, you should be breathing in. And just that simple little moment will help you push through your workout. One thing about this gym, we do not play about wiping down the equipment. Now, if anything, I used to go to Gold's, but it was kind of far for where I live, so I switched. And now I have 2 memberships for the price of one, what I used to have at Gold's. So I'm pretty comfy here. This little contraption, I have scoliosis, and it feels so good on my back to just stretch it all out and let gravity do its thing. And last but not least, the mother massage chair, okay? I don't leave the gym without it. And this would be lunch. Just a salad, don't judge me. I like more dressing than leaves. But it's a chicken Caesar salad with like 2 eggs in it, because protein. And for a snack, the little cutie things, it's like a clementine, it's like an orange. And I like to eat these like Quaker chocolate chip chewy protein bars. This is dinner. You know what this is. Greens, fried chicken, macaroni. Because I'm so slim, I can literally eat what I want, build my muscle underneath, and, keep my diet because I'm not trying to cut a goddamn thing. I'm trying to get thick, like a milkshake, a chocolate milk shake. Do y'all hear me? Do y'all hear me? Y'all know the vibes. I'm on the way home, and this is the beautiful view because it's spring these days. I know it is still winter, but it looks like a beautiful spring day. Like, even the trees are budding. They're blossoming. It's a beautiful time to be alive. But whatever. We barely had any winter. I'm in fear. The ozone layer. I'm afraid for the ozone layer, but it's okay. I usually probably look really angry when I'm driving because I don't be knowing what the puck people be doing on the road. I just be trying to make it home safely, make it back home, but it's fine. I be vibing. I need you to subscribe, click the notification bell. We are almost to 100 subscribers, baby. Let's go. I thank you, everybody that's been tuning in. Anybody that's new, look around, catch up. Thanks for watching, darling.